ओम शांति एंड वेलकम बैक टू प्योर बाइट्स। आज हम इस ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चरस बैकग्राउंड में खाना बनाने वाले हैं। दिस इज ज्ञान सरोवर्स सोलर हाउस बैकयार्ड और the team has set up this table beautifully. So far we've been cooking in our small rustic kitchen, but today we've got an outdoor setting जैसे कि barbecue के लिए होता है या but today in this picture's background इतनी हरियाली है और there's a palm tree in the background, so I want to make curry today. Curries, as you know, is so popular all over the world, और Thai curries भी the Thai red curry or green curry, they are also very popular. So today I wanted to show you a oil-free curry, and with that I've got all these beautiful ingredients. All are medicinal. Each one has a medicinal value. So we're going to make Thai red curry, and basic hero of the hero ingredient of Thai red curry is this paste, red curry paste. Be careful, ये बाहर से मत खरीदिएगा, because इसमें बाहर के टिन्स में जो थाईलैंड से वगैरह आते हैं, जो एशियन शॉप्स में आप खरीदते हैं, उसमें अनियन और गार्लिक भी होता है. So onion garlic is not sattvic. As I said, I always say that you don't need onion and garlic if you're a vegetarian. बहुत ज़्यादा acid होता है. Consult your physicians or consult your health professional before you make any changes. But absolutely, it's too acidic and we don't need that much acid in our body. So all these beautiful ingredients, ये red curry paste जो hero ingredient है, ये मैंने बनाई है with fresh turmeric, fresh ginger, fresh galangal, excellent for arthritis. This one, ginger is very good for killing the bugs. Ginger juice, जब पेट खराब होता है, ginger juice में थोड़ा सा नींबू का पानी मिलाते हैं और पीते हैं और शक्कर के साथ एक स्पून, तो it kills the bug. Very good. And fresh turmeric, just Google it. It's hundreds of anti-inflammatory and full of antioxidants, or lots of goodness in this. You can even just slice it up and marinate it in just vinegar and all that. Make a pickle. लोगों को joints का pain होता है तो कच्चा खाते हैं, मतलब without pickling or something. You do have to brush your teeth a bit more regularly. मतलब in a day 2-3 times to get that yellowness out, but very good for joint pains and arthritis and so forth. So I've made this red curry paste with about 3-4 inches of each ginger, fresh turmeric, galangal. I've also added this beautiful lemongrass, जिसका flavor इतना बढ़िया है, और I've used this part, only this part, जो कि it's very tender, so I've just mashed it like this, or immediately it just releases such a beautiful flavor. So I've just gone and chopped this a bit and use it for the paste like this. See, it's soft, so you can easily fine chop it and use it to make a paste. But today I'm also going to give an extra flavor by just adding this in a curry while we are making it. So I'm going to add that and then I can discard it. So I'm going to do that using the upper end of that lemongrass. Lemongrass को मुझे याद है बम्बई में मेरी सासू माँ चाय बनाती, बोलती थी गौती चाय. गौती चाय इसको बोलते हैं मराठी में, महाराष्ट्र में. And the flavor is excellent in tea. Ginger and lemongrass tea, excellent flavors. Now, I personally just happen to make a concoction, और जब भी मुझे थोड़ा भी I feel a bit symptoms of flu, like feeling down, body aches and थोड़ा सा sniffly, I have made ginger, some turmeric, a little bit of sugar or honey. If you're a vegan, don't worry about the honey, and lemongrass. I've made a little bit of paste and just had it in a spoon, and I've never had to have any antibiotics so far. So that is the power of this beautiful ingredients, very medicinal. And So we've got for our red curry some other ingredients. मेरे पास आज bamboo shoots है. I'm using bamboo shoots today. Tender bamboo shoots. I've just cut it in slices. Very tender and very yummy in curries and even stir fry dishes in Chinese and all. मेरे पास pumpkin है. ये Mount Abu राजस्थान का pumpkin है. So that is so tender. It's gonna cook very quickly. I've got some carrots, full of beta carotene. Carrots are very good for eyes and all that. So I've got the very medicinal broccoli, green broccoli. मेरे पास some spongy tofu है. थोड़ा सा pineapple भी है. Just to give it a little bit of जैसे coleslaw में pineapple होता है, just to give that little bit of sweet balance, if you want to call it. I've got some pineapple. I've got some palm sugar, which is also very essential. ये सारा पेस्ट बनाकर मैंने लेमन ग्रास, ये फिर उसमें थोड़ा सा रेड चिली पाउडर भी मिलाया. So give it that redness. You can add fresh red chili, but some people are, fresh red chili or powdered red chili. They choose between one. And then with that curry, I'm also going to use some lime leaf. This is kaffir lime leaf. It's not the normal lime leaf, which is available in any Asian shop. तो वो भी मैं यूज़ करूँगा. मेरे पास मशरूम्स हैं जो मैंने काटे हैं, और काटने के बाद मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा लेमन वाटर में I kept it soaking for a while, क्योंकि नहीं तो वो बहुत जल्दी ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाते हैं, काले पड़ जाते हैं. So I kept it in lemon water. So see, it's been out for an hour after cutting in lemon water, and now I've taken it out. So it's still white and nice. So वो भी मैं यूज़ करूँगा. And finally, not finally, some coconut milk for my curry. And finally, last but not the least, our very own Pure Bites का signature magic stock. मैजिक स्टॉक बनाने के लिए हमने लिया है प्री मेडिटेटेड वाटर. गाजर, सेलरी, धनिया, कैबेज, कॉलीफ्लावर, टमाटर, अदरक, तेज पत्ता, पेपरकॉर्न्स. ये डालकर हम इसको अभी उबाल पे लाते हैं. ये उबाल पे आ चुका है. इसकी थोड़ी इम्प्योरिटीज जो है, जैसे ये झाग है, वो निकालनी है. इसको अब हम ढकेंगे और धीमे आंच पर करीब 1 घंटा पकने देंगे. अभी इसको बस स्ट्रेन करना है और ये हमारा मैजिक स्टॉक तैयार, जो ऐसे आपको दिखेगा. So that's what we are going to use. And today I have got a little bit of oil, but I'm not going to use it. हम करी बनाएंगे आज oil free. So stay tuned. अभी हम इसको गरम कर दें for our curry. I'm going to add, to see this ingredients, amount of ingredients, I'm going to be generous. 1, 2, 3 ले लिए मैंने. 3 tablespoons of this paste, red curry paste. This is so yummy. सैंडविच में भी ना थोड़ा बटर लगा के ये इसमें नमक डाल के ब्यूटीफुल, बिल्कुल दैट शेजवान पेस्ट टाइप ऑफ टेस्ट. और इसका शेजवान सॉस भी बना सकते हो. यू डोंट हैव टू मेक अ बिग शेजवान सॉस विद गार्लिक एंड ऑल दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग. चाइनीज बना, इसका भी थोड़ा सा शेजवान सॉस बना सकते हो आप विद एडिंग स्टॉक and thickening it with corn flour. So that is also one good sub recipe I've just given you. So we're going to start off this. कैसे पकाएंगे without oil? So what I'm going to do is just add a magic stock a little bit. And I'm going to cook this paste. So I did get oil. I was tempted to, but I've not used it because I want to make a oil-free curry today. This is the first time I'm experimenting with oil-free curry. I mean, naturally ingredients do have a little bit of oil. थोड़ा सा oil तो रहता है. जीरे को भी ऐसे करो तो उसमें से, it's so porous. ऐसे लगता है roasted जीरा बना है. So you don't even have to roast जीरा. ऐसे करो, बस roast जीरा हो गया because it releases the oils. See that? I'm just looking at all the ingredients, or I'm tempted to put in another spoon of this curry paste. So total we added 4 spoons, tablespoons of this curry paste. अब थोड़ा सा इनको कुक करते हैं. This cooking process, you know, when you're stirring koi curries, it's very calming effect. It's got a very calming effect. बहुत ही आपको माइंड को रिलैक्स कर देता है. और तब होती है शुरुआत अच्छे संकल्पों की. तब मुझे याद आता है कि कौन खाने पे आने वाला है और उनको अच्छा लगेगा खाना, एंजॉय करेंगे, मुझे दुआ देंगे. And all this is, all that positive earning, that's what carries you in life, all the way, with everything. बल्कि मेरे साथ तो मैंने कुकिंग के साथ शुरुआत की, और because I had a passion for food and I needed all the time people to taste the food, I started getting a lot of good wishes and मुझे काफ़ी दुआएं मिलती थी. उसी के हिसाब से मुझे बस अच्छी नौकरी मिली. I've traveled a lot and things, just positive things kept happening came on my plate. यहाँ तक कि थोड़ा सा फॉर्च्यून भी बनाया खाना बनाते बनाते without planning. See how good it is. दुआओं से कुछ प्लान नहीं करना पड़ता है. बड़े बड़े goals and you know targets and this year I'm going to achieve this and that year I'm going to have so much मुनाफा type of thing. नहीं, मैंने बस सिर्फ खाना पकाया और थोड़ा सा धन, छोटा फॉर्च्यून मुझे मिलते गया. Just because of good wishes that you get after people eat your food and enjoy your food. So here we are. We're going to start off with some carrots because they are raw. Man, I'm not just making 2 serves. I'm making quite a few serves of this curry because हमारी टीम तो बेचारी बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती है, और फिर हमारे टेस्टर्स भी आते हैं. उनको तो really, you know, they give you their honest opinion. So you can't sort of trick them. अब मैं ऐड करूंगा पंपकिन, राजस्थान का. हालांकि वो लग रहा है कलर से जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्वींसलैंड पंपकिन होता है. क्वींसलैंड ब्लू बोलते हैं उसको. Slowly, see how beautiful it's looking. So next off, I'm gonna add a little bit of this palm sugar. So आज थोड़ा सा palm sugar. और इसके साथ मैंने कहा था ना, we're gonna bash a little bit of this lemongrass. So अभी इसका स्वाद और भी आएगा. Lime leaves, उसका भी स्वाद देना है. Want to add these lime leaves. Take pulling off the stalk. I'm just loving this color already. Curries तो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. आजकल, you know, because we eat so much of variety of food, you don't get around to eat curries until you're at home, or you know, you're eating in someone's, you're invited as a guest to someone's place in an Indian household where they have to make like a couple of curries. Even though they make an elaborate menu, there will be one curry always. So I do love curries, and it takes a lot of that pyar or emotion to make a curry. It's not just cut a few veggies and stir fry and there you go. No, ऐसे नहीं बनती curry. So now I'm gonna add obviously some bamboo shoots that they don't get overcooked at all. So far no oil at all. Some mushrooms. Okay. I don't want to waste anything. So normally bamboo shoots, you get them tinned. They're used mostly in Chinese cuisine and Asian cuisine, obviously. Some Asian cuisine as well. they are very tender because it's the inner part of that bamboo that they take out, and that's it's very traditional in Chinese cooking. मैंने हालांकि हमने कभी इतना ये भी नहीं किया, रिसर्च भी नहीं किया कि बैम्बू में क्या होता है. It's just an ingredient which is like an Asian ingredient which you always sort of use. जैसे नूडल में हमेशा शिमला मिर्च डालते हैं, वैसे चाइनीज या एशियन खाने में बैम्बू शूट डालते हैं. लेकिन वो बैम्बू शूट का ना एक जूस होता है, it adds another dimension to the dish. So bamboo shoot is very good for weight loss, and it has some antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-cancer activities in it. So it's very good to. It's also fibrous, I believe. And now I'm going to use my coconut milk. इसको मैंने करीब 150 ml I've put it in. अब ये जब करी बनाते हैं ना, when it's almost ready, it's very important to taste the sauce. क्योंकि salt and sugar has to be just correct. Otherwise, you cannot feel all the ingredients, all the flavors of the ingredients. खुशबू नहीं आती है, ऐसे लगता है कुछ कम है. You have to. So ये हुई. So gonna add the pineapple now, just to give that sweet component. थोड़ा सा salt अभी, time for some salt. और लास्ट में ऐड करूंगा मैं हमारी थोड़ी सी ब्रोकोली. Not too much, but a little bit. Can add just a gut feeling. कभी कभी पता नहीं ऐसे लगता है थोड़ा सा ऐड करना चाहिए. तो ये करीब गया 200 ml of that coconut cream. Mind you, some of the raw vegetables are going to add to that flavor of that curry. The mushrooms, the carrots, the broccoli. It's just looking gorgeous now. ये हो गई हमारी wonderful red curry. अब इसके साथ तो best accompaniment is steamed rice, जो हमारा तैयार है. और when we plate, I'm gonna plate it with steamed rice. Ideal portion of steamed rice is 100 grams. कुछ लोग 80 ग्राम भी प्रेफर करते हैं, but any more than that is you're adding a lot of carbohydrate. So that means you'll have to burn that much energy. Just a little bit of coriander, so sensational. I can smell the flavor of that fresh turmeric and galanga. Now I could have added more chili powder for redness, but I'm happy with that. I don't want it to become totally red. So we invited two very special guests, Hans and Hilda. So yeah. So it's almost done, and we're just gonna plate that with some steamed rice. And what I used today is mainly these three ingredients, or four. I had the lemongrass stalk as well. We made a paste out of this: galanga, fresh turmeric, ginger, some lemongrass, and inside we have some lime leaf as well. I took pumpkin, Rajasthan pumpkin today. So I hope you like pumpkin.
Yes.
And bamboo shoots. Have you? Yeah. Some carrots for color and taste, and of course magic stock. This is the signature Pure Bites magic stock.
Yes.
And it gives a wonderful taste and enhances the taste for the sauce or soup. So curries and everything. So I'm just about ready and gonna plate. And I always love to add some fresh coriander.
Yes.
I hope you have nothing against coriander.
We also
Yes. So so just look at this. Just look how beautiful it looks even before plating.
The ice.
Yeah, yeah. And as if I don't have enough color. And would you like to do the honors? I'm just sprinkle that on top for more color. And red bell peppers, they cook very easily with the heat, so we don't even have to heat them. Beautiful. Oh yeah, why not?
Yes, you wish.
Okay.
Okay.
Dankeschön.
Bitte schön.
Very good. I'm very happy that we have some German guests to taste our red curry, which is from Thailand. Yeah. So, Hans, what do you reckon? We eating Thai curry, red curry, and you're from Germany, and I was born in India, and I'm living in Australia, and we meet in India to eat Thai red curry.
Yeah, well, we are a global family, so I think that's the secret.
Yeah.
You see it even in the food, especially in the food, maybe.
And food brings us all together. When we share food, sharing brings families together. And that's why they say family which eats together stays together. But one more we want to add is family who cooks at home and eats together stays together.
I even think food has brought cultures together.
Absolutely. It's just opened up different cultures, travel.
So in every country you find all the different restaurants from all the other cultures, and so we come to know each other from that side, and I think that helps us to come together too.
Yeah. So we're going to plate up soon and sit somewhere and think about good thoughts, exchange words of wisdom, and speak everything positive and enjoy this red curry.
Now let's take the recap of red Thai curry. And the ingredients are coconut cream 200 ml, sliced carrots like fingers 1 cup, broccoli cut in florets 1 cup, sliced mushrooms 1 cup, sliced bamboo shoots half a cup, diced tofu or paneer 1 cup, diced pumpkin 1 cup, pineapple pieces half a cup, palm sugar 1 tablespoon, ginger root 3 inches, galangal root 2 inches, turmeric root 3 inches, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, salt, 3 kaffir lime leaves, finely sliced red bell peppers half a cup, red curry paste 4 tablespoons, fresh coriander leaves chopped for garnish, lemongrass 1 stalk, magic stock 200 ml. Now let's understand the procedure. First, prepare red curry paste. For that we need a mix of 2 to 3 inches fresh turmeric, ginger, fresh galangal, lemongrass and red chili powder. Grind them all in a blender to make a paste. Now season the pan for a minute and cook 4 teaspoons of red curry paste with magic stock. Add carrots, pumpkin, little bit of magic stock and stir for a minute. Add palm sugar, bash a little bit of lemongrass and add together with lime leaves and stir for a minute. Add bamboo shoots, mushrooms and stir for a minute. Add tofu and stir for another minute. Add 200 ml coconut cream, then add pineapple and stir for a minute. Now add salt, broccoli and stir for another minute. Add palm sugar, add a little bit of magic stock and cook for a minute. Add little bit of fresh coriander, red bell pepper and cook for a minute. Your red Thai curry is now ready to serve.
It looks very lovely, isn't it? Thai red curry with steamed rice and lime wedge from Pure Bites. Enjoy and tune in until the next episode. Until then, goodbye. Om Shanti.